Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I apply my red Aspen nail dashes. Everything you need comes in the kit. You'll get all of the nails, you'll get a nail glue, a nail file, it's two-sided, and a cuticle pusher. The only other thing you will need is either some nail polish remover or an alcohol pad to kind of dry out the nail bed to prep for glue so there's no oils or anything on the nail. First thing you're going to do is push back your cuticles. You want to make sure you do this gently. And this is just giving more room for the nail dash to go underneath the cuticle so it looks as natural as possible. The next thing you're going to do is file down your nails. I just do this so they fit underneath the nail dash so my natural nail doesn't stick out from whatever nail I'm applying. And then you're going to go over all of your nails with either your nail polish remover or an alcohol wipe to dry out your nails, make sure there's no oils on there. And then I'm going to lightly buff the nail plate with the pink side of the nail file. It is the less abrasive side of the file. And this is just to help the nails adhere a little bit. You want to do this very, very gently. You do not want to actually take down any of your nail plate. This is just gently roughing up the surface. It's going to look worse than it actually is because of the nail dust. I used to wipe off the nail dust, but I've been trying out lately leaving the nail dust on there, and it helps provide a little bit more grip. So my nails are arranged from left to right. For the top row is for my left hand, the bottom is for my right. I'm going to start by applying a thin line of glue to my pinky nail. And then I'm going to use the tip of the glue bottle to distribute that line of glue all over my nail. I'm not squeezing any more glue out at this point. I'm just moving around what's already on there. And then you're going to take the nail dash and you're just going to apply it at a little bit of an angle and slide it underneath your cuticle ever so slightly. There will be a number at the tip of the nail dash, and then the end of the nail that has no number goes underneath your cuticle. That's how you know which end is which. You want to press down for at least 20 seconds. And you also want to make sure that you're kind of moving your finger around to push out any air bubbles. I actually need to count 20 seconds out or watch a clock, because if I don't hold it down long enough, or I hold it down entirely too long. This one, I think you'll be able to see the line of glue a little bit better. Yeah. So that's all the glue that I apply for each nail. You want to push firmly, very firmly on the nail to make sure that it bonds well. Our glue bonds like an acrylic. I've tried so many different nail glues, and this glue is by far the best glue I've ever tried. You want to start with your pinkies on both hands and work your way towards your index and your thumbs. That way it's easier to put the nails on because you'll use those last two fingers the most in putting on all of the nails. It just helps it go a little bit more smoothly. And again, whenever I am done with the line of glue, all I'm doing is moving the glue that I applied around. I'm not squeezing out any additional glue. And that amount of glue will last me at least a week with no pop-offs, nothing. I don't wear gloves to do dishes. I wash my hair all the time. I'm always putting a bunch of hair product in, washing my hands a ton at work, and I don't have any issues. You want to make sure you get a good seal, and you want to make sure that your nails are dry before applying the nails. All of that will help make sure that there are no pockets underneath for moisture to be trapped, because then you can run into some issues. But that's with any nail, that's with acrylics, that's with anything. You want to make sure your nails are very, very dry. For my thumbs here, I am filing down the sides a little bit so that it fits my nail a little bit better. You want to make sure you're not picking a nail that is too small, because then it can compress your natural nail and you might get a groove in your nail. So these are really easy. Our nail dashes file like regular nails. And honestly, they file easier than my own natural nails because my natural nails will fray and split. It's terrible. So I'm just going to finish up by putting on my last 4 nail dashes here. And I wanted to show you how my natural nail actually looks without all the nail dust, because I know they look rough. But at this point the alcohol pad is dry, so there's no moisture being added to my nail there. It's just getting off the nail dust. Because I wanted you to see my nails don't look terrible. They look fine. I'm spending a little bit of extra time on my thumbs. Our thumbs are naturally the flattest of our nails. All of my other nails are quite curved, which works well with the nail dashes because our nail dashes are curved, so they look more natural. So you may have to also spend a little extra time on your thumbs because they might be flat like mine are, but that's just how thumbs typically are. So I'm just showing you how my nails look. That took me recording, it took longer than normal. However, when I'm doing them and I'm not recording and trying to make sure I show you all the parts, it takes me a little over 10 minutes, maybe 11 or 12. But it's way less time than going to a salon or doing nail art. I used to spend hours doing nail art. And then here I'm just showing you that I'm wiping off any glue on the tip of the glue bottle, because the glue bottle will last you at least 3 months. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.